Rural development refers to the process of improving the economic, social, and environmental conditions of rural areas. It involves creating opportunities for rural communities to improve their livelihoods and well-being, such as through increased access to education, healthcare, infrastructure, and markets. Rural development can also involve sustainable land use and management practices, as well as the preservation of cultural heritage and traditional knowledge. The term rural development has positive connotations, implying progress and improvement, but it can also carry negative connotations if it is imposed without considering the unique needs and perspectives of rural communities. Therefore, it is important to ensure that rural development strategies are participatory, inclusive, and responsive to the needs and aspirations of the communities they aim to serve. To develop rural areas in a participatory and responsive manner, it is important to involve local communities in the planning, implementation, and monitoring of development strategies. Here are some rural development strategies that prioritize community participation and responsiveness. Participatory needs assessment. Conducting a needs assessment that involves local community members can help identify their priorities and needs. This can inform the development of targeted strategies that are responsive to the specific needs of the community. Capacity building. Building the capacity of local communities through training and education can empower them to participate in decision-making and take ownership of development initiatives. This can also help build local leadership and promote sustainability. Community-driven development. Adopting a community-driven development approach, where local communities are in charge of identifying and implementing development projects, can ensure that the initiatives are tailored to the community's specific needs and preferences. Stakeholder engagement. Engaging with local stakeholders, including community leaders, civil society organizations, and private sector actors, can help ensure that development initiatives are aligned with local priorities and that all relevant actors are involved in the planning and implementation process. Monitoring and evaluation. Regularly monitoring and evaluating development initiatives can help ensure that they are achieving their intended outcomes and that they remain responsive to the changing needs of the community. Overall, participatory and responsive rural development strategies require a deep understanding of the unique needs, priorities, and perspectives of rural communities. Effective strategies prioritize local participation, engagement, and ownership, and aim to build local capacity and leadership.